Tina, I would request you to introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, Nidhi, ma'am. My name is Srina Shaha. Currently, I'm working as an HR operations executive in PharmaQuant. It is a healthcare consultative based company, and I am taking classes from ma'am since I have started my MBA from Technomin Salt Lake, and from there I was learning from ma'am the HR theoretical portions, and after that I start enrolled in ma'am's HR practical based courses, which helped me a lot in my interviews, and it is currently helping in my corporate world, because after joining office, that I got to know that there are so many things that are that we have to learn, but there is no one such to guide us that properly, that we have to do in this way, we have to do it in that way, which I am very grateful that ma'am taught us beforehand, so that we don't face any kind of problem after joining the corporate. The two things that I like the most about this course is the salary processing and the salary calculation part, which is a very important thing to know for an HR while being in a corporate world. And another one is that how to interact with the candidates properly, while as an HR it is a very crucial part for us to communicate with the candidates, to talk with them while recruiting them, while selecting them, while shortlisting them, while getting their CVs. So if we don't have the prior knowledge that how to communicate with the candidates, we won't be able to do the work properly. So these are the two parts that I like the most about this course. And one thing that I would like to, it's not about improve that I feel that if the courses, I have brought this up before also, if the course was also in offline mode, available in offline mode also, then it would have been more interactive. We may got to know not in a online mode, in an offline mode we have got to know more things. So if the course would have been in offline also, it would be great.
Okay, Tina, thank you so much. There is a question for you. Let me tell you now onwards. Till because this particular request we are getting for numerous time to restart that offline. Okay, so from this time onwards, the next batch has already started off. So we are keeping both online offline options. So if someone wants to come to our place and then wants to interact with us, wants to learn from us offline, they are most welcome. So we are keeping that options. Thank you so much, Trina, and I wish you all the best, all the success in your career.